Loving her was easier than anything I've ever done again. I've seen the morning burning golden on the mountain in the skies, aching with the feeling of the freedom of an eagle when she flies, turning on the world the way she smiled upon my soul as I lay dying. Even as the colors of the sunshine, the shadows of her eyes, waking in the morning to the feeling of her fingers on my skin,